Hey guys! It is very important for us to control what permissions are allowed and which are not, for an Android app, especially if the app is not trusted. This is because so many cases of crime have occurred, due to our negligence, when giving permission to a particular app. It doesn't actually take many steps to remove or change the permissions of an Android app. You just need to determine which app you want to change permissions for. Long tap on the app icon, then open its app info. On the next screen, open the permissions menu. And here you will see what permissions you have allowed and which you have not allowed for this app. The next step, select what permissions you want to change or remove. Then just change the option to Don't Allow. You can also freely remove all permissions from this app if you want. As an extra precaution, you can also enable this Remove Permissions if app is unused feature. Use this feature so that the app cannot access permissions when you are not opening and using the app. Done. That's how to remove and change permissions from an Android app. Hopefully this tutorial is useful, and thank you for watching.